Hello everyone, Ali here recording this short video to show you how to register to vote in the US. First we start by typing usa.gov into your browser, and from this site here we go to where it says voting and elections. Click on that and then click where it says how to vote or register to vote, and then register to vote, and again register to vote and start your voter registration. From this page you can select your state. I'm from New York, so I'll select New York, and you find out how to register. Some states allow you to register online. New York is one of them. Other states require showing up in person. You're gonna see what's required and if you're allowed to register online once you select your state. And click here. And basically here it tells you what you'll need to register. The requirements are basically the same for every state. You have to be a citizen, of course. You have to be a US citizen, and you need a state issued ID. And in New York, you need the zip code currently on record with your motor vehicle department. Some states might require proof of address, such as a utility bill or something like that. And you're also going to need the last 4 digits of your SS number. Click here, and you fill out what's required here, and once you do so you click I agree and submit. I'm registered, so I'm not going to do that. And if you want to find out what happens to the application after you fill it out, you go back to the previous page and it tells you here what happens to your voter registration application. Once you submit it, motor vehicle will send it to your county or city board of elections to be reviewed, and it takes up to 6 weeks to hear back from them. They will either tell you that you are now registered to vote, or if they need any additional information to complete your application. If you don't hear back from them after 6 weeks, you click on this link and it'll show you the phone numbers to get in touch with them and find out what's going on. It is as simple as that. Please feel free to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Anything will be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much everybody, and have a great day everyone.